going to happen. I am going to have to fix you, manage you on a more personal scale, a more micro form of management. Jim, what is that called?
Microregiment?
Boom. Yes.
You should never assume, because when you assume, you make an ass of you and me.
Is there a problem here, sir?
I don't think so.
Calm down.
I am calm. What is it with you people?
You people.
I don't mean you people. I mean you people.
Sir, I will not tolerate any racist behavior on the plane.
Did you write this?
No, I swear.
Then you told somebody.
She told.
You little...
I don't know if I would have done this. Yeah.
Is there a problem with it, or?
You do not hand in crap like this! This looks like you took a dump in the printer! You are scum! I should fire you and burn down your friggin' house! I am this close to raping you!